nice, Peggy. Peggy, play nice. Zeus, what are you doing? Get her, Zeus. Get her, Zeus. He's so tiny. He's so tiny. Peggy. Good moment, Zeus. One of them has got the bark going on this morning. This little one, he barks like he's a big dog. The other one's over here eating. I fixed some fresh food, so they found that. And those two are in there sharing a bully stick. They came out, one on one end of it, one on the other, carrying it out. And what was so funny, they had to cooperate. They had to go the same way and everything.